$50 comprehensive.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the X2 function on TikTok. So from the home screen, go down to the bottom center of the screen and click on that plus sign. That's going to bring you to your camera roll. Right above the record button you can see it says 1x. That means 1 times the original recording speed. If you go right to the right of it, click on 2x, now it's 2 times the original recording speed. 3x is 3 times, and then 0.5 and 0.3 are half speed and 1/3 speed. So to record a video in 2x, just click on the 2x and then hang on a second. I'm going to record real quick.
But yeah, let's just see how crazy this sounds when I speed it up times 2.
And there you go. It is 2 times as fast as it should be. And of course you have all the regular selections here for sounds and filters and stuff. Click next when you're done. And then here's your pre-post page where of course you just go through the normal posting options here. I'm going to save as a draft and I'm going to show you that you can actually do this with a video that you've already recorded on your camera. So go back down to the plus sign. And then instead of using the function right there to record, go down to the bottom right hand corner and click on upload. And here you can choose any video that you have on your camera roll. I'm just going to choose this one for example. Click next. And then down at the bottom right hand corner you can see what looks like a speedometer in my opinion, but it's actually a clock. Has the tiny little letters that say off. Click on that clock. And there it opens up the speed function. So now it's on 1x, you can click it on 2x or 0.5x, whatever you like. We'll just do 2x and then click next. It'll process. And it will bring you right to the page where you can add your sounds, effects, text, stickers, and stuff. I hope this video helped you on how to use the 2x function on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here.